You're breathing wrong and inefficient, and this is holding you back.
You're breathing wrong, and this is why. The most of us take shallow breaths without even realizing it, keeping our body in a constant state of mild stress.
But did you know that your breathing directly controls the sympathetic nerve system, which controls your fight and flight response? So by controlling your breathing, we're actually capable of controlling your oxygen and CO2 level in your blood vessels. So we have a direct control about our sympathetic nerve system. With this ability, we have the opportunity to change our stressed state of mind to a relaxed state of mind. A great opportunity to control this system is the Wim Hof technique. Take 30 deep breaths in through the mouth or nose, doesn't matter. Then hold your breath for as long as possible. And then, if you feel the urge to breathe, take one inhale and hold your breath for 15 seconds. This will improve your oxygen saturation and decrease your CO2 level, activating the sympathetic nerve system, what then leads to more alertness and more endurance. This breath work is a game changer for recovery, focus, and relieving stress. I will post more of these techniques soon, also more the science behind it and what it really does to your body. You will find my articles on my link tree in my bio, and share this video with a friend and like and comment.